Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
So we're diving into the Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine with Latte Go, the EP 3246/74 model, right? ASINB 0C91 CMX7Q.
And pitting it against the Nespresso Gran Lattissima original espresso machine by DeLonghi, ASINB 0CG8R7 TDC. Fresh beans versus pods. Let the coffee clash begin.
Exactly. The Philips machine promises 5 different coffee types at your fingertips. Espresso, coffee, cappuccino, latte macchiato. Pretty versatile.
The Nespresso is laser-focused on espresso, brewing a 1.35 ounces serving. But that integrated milk frother means you can easily whip up lattes and cappuccinos. It's about the speed and ease of use.
Right. The Philips uses Latte Go, which they say cleans in just 15 seconds under the tap. That's a huge selling point for busy mornings. 2 parts, no tubes, easy peasy.
Cleaning, stores key. The Nespresso's milk frother also needs regular cleaning, of course. One user mentioned soaking the parts weekly in soapy water. Sounds manageable.
Now the Philips boasts a 12-step ceramic grinder. You can go from ultra-fine to coarse. Are you a coffee snob? This is for you.
With Nespresso, you're locked into their pod system. No grind adjustments needed. It's pre-portioned, consistent, and quick. The trade-off is less control.
True. The Philips has an aroma extract system that keeps the water temp between 90 and 98 degrees Celsius. They're really going for optimal flavor.
Nespresso capsules are designed for optimal pressure and water flow within their machines. They've done the R&D to ensure a good extraction.
Philips claims those ceramic grinders are good for 20,000 cups. That's some serious longevity.
Nespresso avoids the grinder issue entirely. You just replace the pods. But you are then reliant on buying Nespresso pods. Something to consider.
And the Philips says you can brew up to 5,000 cups without descaling thanks to the AquaClean filter. That's a big time saver.
Descaling is a must with the Nespresso. Like most espresso machines, it's not a daily thing, but it's part of the maintenance.
The Philips is a substantial machine at 17 by 10 by 15 inches. Make sure you have counter space.
The Nespresso is likely more compact. Pod machines tend to be smaller. If counter space is premium, that's a point in its favor. So are you after the control and potentially richer flavor of fresh ground beans, or the ultimate convenience of pods?
Exactly. And how much do you value easy cleanup versus that granular grind customization? Both are currently unavailable, so keep an eye out for when they are back in stock. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.